I'm Dr. Steve Greene from Advanced Dermatology and Laser Institute of Seattle. Today we're going to demonstrate Sculptra injection for the décolleté of the chest. Sculptra is polylactic acid, a milk sugar that is used for volumizing the skin. It's been used successfully in volumizing the chest area due to changes that have been induced by aging, the weight of the breasts, and environmental pollution. Today we're going to do an injection with diluted Sculptra that's appropriately diluted for the chest area. And I'm going to draw a template of the area that we're going to work on reducing that crepiness. Sculptra is very exciting because as a filler, it volumizes and it lifts. And studies done in the dermatology literature have demonstrated that it can last as long as 25 months. So it makes it a very ideal volumizer in the skin. We'll just place some numbing dots at certain corners. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we'll start our treatment. We'll just place the Sculptra and we'll fan it. We blend in actually lidocaine to add to comfort when we are delivering the Sculptra. Sculptra is actually mixed with sterile water, which makes it really easy to spread around very nicely. Okay, and that's all of the Sculptra. Now we'll do a little massage. Sure. So in today's massage, we're going to use a light massage product like ultrasound gel. Have our patients perform this massage at home, and it's for 5 times a day for 5 minutes for 5 days. So easy way to remember that is the 5-5-5 recipe. And Sculptra, when it's administered anywhere on the body, for example, on the face, on the chest, even the buttocks, it's sometimes used for the so-called Brazilian buttock lift. The same prescription massage is recommended. So we've completed our treatment of the use of Sculptra for the décolleté of the chest to help with crepiness, building volume and lift in the chest wall. And if you're interested in learning more about other uses of Sculptra for skin rejuvenation, please contact us at Advanced Dermatology and Laser Institute of Seattle. We'd be happy to provide you a complete consultation.